recently rigged my 1969 Sidewinder with a 90 horsepower Suzuki outboard. The controls I have came off a center console and were mounted to the right or starboard side, and the handle was on the outside. I needed to mount the control box on the starboard side with the handle on the left side of the control box. After searching the internet with no simple solutions, I decided to pay it forward and share how I switched the handle on my Suzuki control box. It really is simple. Step 1. Remove the bolt holding the handle to the box. Step 2. Unscrew the white shift lever lock. The screws were probably held in with Loctite because they were hard to remove. I actually stripped one of the screws and had to use my 3-in-1 tool to create a slot in the head of the screw to remove it. Once removed, just install it on the other side in the obvious place. Step 3. Snap off the plastic cover covering the trim wire and just flip it over to the other side. I hope you have enjoyed watching this short video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a great day today, and every day.